Here. We've got a good crowd here tonight. This is my 6 pound of hot dogs. I'm hand them out whole. Come on. Yeah, hand them out whole to them. Here we go. It's dirty weather out tonight. You want one of these? You want one? There, put it underneath the thing for you. Oh, my buddy on the little stand wants one. I got one down on the ground. Here, buddy. You're eating them good, aren't you? Huh? You're eating them good. Yeah. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my little skinny fella showed up tonight, and he cleaned out my my bird feeders, and he ate 4 hot dogs and 2 sandwiches before he left. He doesn't come here at night with these guys. He's a little tiny fella. Yeah. What are you growling for? You guys got to be full of hot dogs. This is 6 pounds. If they finish this, that's 6 pounds they went through. Yeah. Oh, he's going up on the roost. Would you like a delivery? Well, here. There, you eat it up there. Here, we got one up there. And we got one there. Everybody's happy. They're all eating. Except him. He didn't eat his. This little guy, he's only small. This fella here. He's way down the stairs with a hot dog. He's only tiny. So anyway, I did a little video with the little fella. I'll put it on along with this one. Oh, you dropped your hot dog. Uh-oh. Have to give you another one. Do you want another one? You dropped that one. Here. You want to take that one? Here.